All right, everyone, we are going to take a quick look at Solana. So Solana, from the last update, I did clear out the chart. We made a new high here. We're trying to get over the 200-day EMA here on the 3-day chart. But ultimately, you can see we are trading in this rising wedge pattern here, which, if it plays out, is a bearish pattern to the downside. So Solana may have very well topped here at this 200-day, at this little red box I drew. Pretty much at the $30 range here. We're currently at 31.83. You can see the top where that wick is at 33.94, pretty much $34. So if we are going to have a retracement back down to the bottom of this wedge, you can see that from the low to the high, potentially a 618 retracement down here to about 22, and maybe a $20 Solana here coming up shortly, or not shortly, but over the next coming weeks. So depending on how fast this moves, and if it is going to get stuck here and not break out, then you're potentially going to retrace down to the 618 here at 22 for a 30% drop, and then maybe down to about 20 bucks at that 786 for a 37% drop here. So it may be time to pile into the shorts on Solana here. But always practice risk management with that, of course. We are going to go look on the weekly chart now before we end this update. This is where we have this larger fib drawn, and you can see the pattern a little bit clearer here on the weekly candles in this rising wedge, which is bearish to begin with. And then if we take a look at the macro scale for Solana from the high back here in November of 2021 to the low here in December of 2022, you can see we have been in this rising wedge pattern, and we're smacking right into the resistance here. All the support here, turn resistance right at your 382 at 30.90. So this little price area here is what you need to get a candle close over, especially here on the weekly candles, which does have over 2 days left on this candle. So if we can somehow get a close over the $31 range here, then there's a shot that you're going to go to higher price targets here. And we can measure that really quick. So we're either coming back down to the bottom of the wedge here at that $20 range. You can see the 236 here is at $18.50. But if for some reason we break out over the top, over that $30, $31, $32 range, then there's a chance you're going to get a nice spike to the upside to your next resistance, a 48% move up to about $47 here. So yeah, we'll leave it at that for now on Solana. Like I said, everything's pointing high to the low, right to your 382 on the 3-day chart. We are in this bearish pattern on the 3-day chart, smacking right into the 200-day EMA here. So it's all kind of telling me that your so-called top is in here, and you're about to retrace down here on Solana. So use that information as you will. Remember, it's not financial advice, it's just for entertainment. And we will see you in the next one. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching. Peace out.